Alright, we're going to go ahead and head out and see if we can help this young lady out. She's got a 2003 Jeep and she blew out 2 tires last night, and I'm going to try and go take that tire off and get it to a tire shop before all the shops are closed. We'll see what happens. She doesn't get out till 9:30, so we're trying to do this before they close any tire shops. So follow me along. We got her all changed out, the tire. What helped a lot was that her mom showed up. Her mom had a spare with her. I was more worried that she wasn't going to be able to find a tire shop that would. Let me see if we can get this one right here. There we go. That she wasn't going to be able to find a tire shop if we did pull it off after 8. You know, some of these shops close real early. 5 or 6, and so that was my concern. The shop in Mercedes closed at 8, so I was like, man, let me come pull this tire off and I'll go down and see what I can get her, you know, as far as a used tire, even just to get her through the night or whatnot. Well, her mom had already done that. She came by and picked up the rim that was in the vehicle and got her tire changed. So when she got back to the van, I was in the process of taking that used tire off, the blown tire out, and she just happened to have a better jack that worked for this scenario. On our page it showed that it needs to be a bigger jack, so I brought my high lift jack, which is a bit overkill for that little Jeep. As you can tell, there would have been nowhere to mount it on. It would have gotten done, it just wasn't going to be fun. And she happened to have a jack that worked with my impact, so I could run it up and down and take the tire off and change it out. And then before everything was done, I asked her to check the battery to make sure it had enough juice to start, so that we could start the vehicle. In this scenario, she didn't have enough battery. It was light, the dome light was left on. Whether it was an unlocked door or it's a continuing problem, we don't know. I'm not here to diag, I'm just here to help a little bit. And so I tried my jumper pack on it, and it didn't work out too great. It was really dead. And she had jumper cables. The same vehicle that we're changing the tire on had jumper cables, so we went ahead and we changed out. We used the jumper cables to her van and turned the vehicle on, and it worked great. Keep moving forward, keep paying forward, and help when you can, man. Peace out, you guys. Take care.